Hi friends, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to perform some science experiments and learn about science. Are you ready? Let's begin. So our first experiment is called dancing raisins. Take soda in a jar and drop some raisins in it. You will notice that the raisins will keep going up and down in the soda. Now why does this happen? Because the soda has tiny bubbles which stick to the raisin and they make raisin rise to the top. When the bubbles burst, the raisin goes back down and this process keeps repeating. Our second experiment is called milk rainbow. For this we take milk in a dish, drop some food coloring and liquid dish soap in the center. And then you will see this beautiful and colorful pattern formed on top of the milk. Now this happens because the liquid soap interacts with the fat in the milk and fat starts moving around, causing this beautiful swirl of colors. Next experiment is called pufferfish experiment and it's my favorite. For this, we take a small balloon and fill it with vinegar. Then we add this small balloon and some baking soda in a big balloon and tie it up. Now all you have to do is hit this big balloon really hard and see the magic. The balloon will inflate on its own. This happens because when you hit the balloon really hard, the small balloon inside bursts and vinegar and baking soda react together, producing a gas which inflates the balloon on its own. Our fourth experiment is called the lava lamp experiment. For this, we take a jar, add some water, add some food coloring and then we add oil on top of it. Now all you have to do is add some Eno inside it and you will see a lava-like creation inside the lamp. It's really interesting to watch. This happens because Eno reacts with water, creating bubbles. And these bubbles move to the surface and they burst after reaching the surface. So it creates a lava-like effect. Bye-bye! Science is really so interesting and you can perform so many experiments at home and learn. Hope you guys learned from this video as well. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and keep watching. Bye-bye!